guys, this is my first video on YouTube. Today I'll be doing office siren makeup look. In case you don't know what office siren makeup look is, it's all about combining soft glam with powerful sultry edge, perfect for looking polished and confident at work. Think of it as clean, sculpted, professional, but with hints of seductive sophistication. So let's get started with the makeup. I skipped my base makeup because it was like usual. I'm keeping my brows neat as it should be for this makeup look. Now moving on to my eye makeup. I'll be taking brown shade for the base makeup, and then I will take baby blue shade for the inner corner, and I will top it off with a darker blue shade. Now I'm doing a simple straight liner. Now I'm doing contour on my nose to make it look straighter and slimmer. Now to give this look a edgy look, I'm adding moles. Now I'm adding highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes, nose bridge and tip, and also my cheeks. I just realized I forgot to show you my blush, but I'm showing you my white kajal now. I'm overlining my lips with a lip liner. I applied coral lip shade, but I don't like it, so now I'm adding darker red shade. So that was it for the video. You can comment below what makeup should I do in the upcoming video. Bye!